You have seen a lot of these videos on Instagram, and these are generating millions of views. And in this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can make these completely free, no expensive software, no editing skills. Let's go. So first you need to visit this website called Moewalls. Here you can get a lot of 4K live wallpapers of different types. So I am going to select girl, anime girls. So here I am going to use this one. Just download it and just visit Microsoft Store, or you can Google it and search for lively wallpaper. Just download this app. After downloading it, just open it and tap on this plus button and add your wallpaper, the video you have downloaded from Moewalls. Just upload it, and you can see now you just need to set it on your right screen. So if you have double screen, just go to this and choose your display settings and set to the main screen. And after that, just record a video of hand going towards that character and just screenshot the last part as you can see on screen, and then just go to cloud and upload your screenshot and type something like, hey, I want to make this character come live and shake hands with me. So you just need the prompt from image to video. So cloud will generate according to your provided screenshot. Just copy that prompt and then just head over to flow, and here you can create a new project and upload your screenshot that you have taken and wait for it. Just let it upload and just paste the prompt and run. So here is the result. Just download it from here. And that's it. Now you can also create these viral anime handshake videos completely free. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe, because I'm daily posting these kind of AI tools and viral content tutorial every single day. Now I want to see yours, what you create. Comment below. See you in the next video.